Weight and mass compared, 30 minutes, 20 points. Open the Google Sheet from this assignment. This lets you compare the mass and weight of objects you can find at home. Don't worry if you can't find all of those listed. You can use similar objects that you can put on kitchen scales to measure the mass in grams. The masses may not be as printed on the container as the mass refers to the contents and may miss out the container. If you get stuck, watch this 2-minute video. Make sure you hand in the Google Sheet with your assignment. Did you find that the weight in newtons is approximately 10 times the mass in kilograms? Yes or no? On Earth, each kilogram of mass is pulled down by a weight force of 10 newtons. For example, a bag of potatoes with a mass of 5 kilograms marked on the bag is pulled down by a weight of 50 newtons. Complete the table below with the missing mass or weight. There are objects, a school bag, a bicycle, motorbike, a horse, a melon, and a Chromebook. The masses are 3 kilograms here. You need to calculate the weight over here. The bicycle is given as 130 newtons of weight. You need to work out the mass. The motorbike has a mass of 140 kilograms. You work out the weight. 450, 30, and 1.4. Yes, Chromebooks really are that heavy.